Morning, so this is Kevin. Right Kevin, what we got here?
We've got all sorts of native wildflower plug plants that we're going to plant in the park here in Garnant to improve the area for biodiversity and provide a bit of colour. So we've got all sorts of native wildflowers provided by Celtic Wildflowers, a nursery based in Swansea that gets their seeds locally, so the plants will be adapted to the local conditions around here.
Fantastic.
So yeah, we got all sorts from
What
red
are they
clovers. There's a black horehound there, some stitchworts. We've got teasels, wild carrots, ragged robin, loads of scabious, which Rob can tell you all about, because it's the food plant for the marsh fritillary butterfly. And that's about it.
That one there.
So we've got two different types of scabious. We've got devil's bit scabious and field scabious.
Okay, fantastic.
And we've got lots more ragged robin as well.
And more ragged robin.
Nice.
So this is Rob Parry. What are we doing here today, Rob?
Well, this is Golg Amman Park, and it's a marshy grassland based in the Amman Valley, managed by Amman Town Council. And today Inc. and the Growing Future project are working with the community to add a little bit of diversity to the grassland. So over the next couple of hours this morning, lots of volunteers from the community are actually going to be planting plug plants of various species into the grassland, just to give it a bit of a floristic boost.
Fantastic. And what are these plants going to be?
Mainly we've got devil's bit scabious, and the Amman Valley is a fantastic place for the marsh fritillary butterfly, and the butterfly caterpillar feeds on devil's bit scabious. So we've got a perfect habitat here without much of the scabious. So if we put patches of that in, hopefully in time we can attract the butterfly in.
And somebody tells me you've been growing a few butterflies.
We are in the middle of what's known as a population restoration project for marsh fritillaries. So we've been growing lots of devil's bit scabious, the food plant, and rearing captive marsh fritillaries as well. So this is part of that, part of our wider marsh fritillary ambitions. But yeah, the rearing, the butterflies there will hopefully go to restore a population in South Wales.
Fantastic. Excellent. Look forward to planting.